In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove video background on CapCut using your smartphone, just like this one here. The first thing you want to do is to go over to CapCut, click on CapCut here, click on New Project, and then select the video you want to remove the background. So you add it, click on Add to add the video. Now the video is here and you can see the background. If you don't like the background of your video, if you don't have a good background, you don't have to worry. So all you have to do, once you've added that video, now I want you to go through below the screen where you can see some features. Just tap on the video, then scroll through the features that is below the screen here. Go to Cutout, click on Cutout, and then click on Remove Background. So once you've clicked on it, it's going to start reading here that the background is being removed, and before you know it, it's done. Now you can mark on this good, and voila, you have your video without a background. So you can go ahead and add something to the back. So to do that from CapCut still, just go through the features here, scroll through until you get to canvas, click on canvas, and then click on background here. You can add anything to the background. So just like this one here, I'm just going to click on it, and that is it. It's simply how you remove the background of a video on CapCut using just your smartphone. So go ahead and give this a try and let me know if it worked out for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section for me, share this video with others, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials just like this one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.